Here you're looking at are some fungi growing in a dollar store monotub. Some are been modified and some have not. Through this experimentation, I have realized that it is possible to have a mycology through microwave, pasteurization, and you do get mushrooms. As long as you know what you're doing. Through pasteurization, you just got to keep in mind, through all that expansion and heat, and when it cools off, it's going to create a lot of contaminants that wants to invade into your what you pasteurize. But if you keep it in a clean environment, they will grow. Now, as far as pasteurization goes, anything you can stick in the microwave, it will pasteurize, as long as you don't have any metal objects in there. So, glass jars with plastic lids, all of a sudden you'll have a pasteurized liquid culture ready to be inoculated. Same thing with agar plates. Some agar plates are probably not microwavable, but I also picked up some biosilicate glass petri dishes. It was kind of spendy, but since they're reusable, it's going to be worth it. I'm not going to be spending any more money on these $2 per plate pre-poured agars. It worked, but time to move on. Yeah, microwave mycology. It actually works. What I like the most is the liquid culture. I love the way that it grows and in suspension, in liquid. It's got some grain jar. Gonna try that out. See if the pasteurized grain jar through the microwave worked. Pasteurize some sawdust in sandwich bags or Ziplocs. They're coming through. Some wood lovers. Try it out, folks. If you have any questions, let me know.